Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Honda Pilot navigation system. Keeping your navigation system current ensures you have the most accurate road information and points of interest at your fingertips. This guide will walk you through the entire process, making it simple to refresh your maps. An updated system can significantly improve your driving experience, helping you find destinations more efficiently and avoid unexpected detours. Let's get started on enhancing your journey with fresh data. Before beginning the update, a few preparations are essential. First, identify your Honda Pilot's specific navigation system model to ensure compatibility. You'll need a reliable internet connection to download the map files, which can be quite large, often several gigabytes. Also, prepare a compatible storage device, typically a USB drive with at least 16 gigabytes of free space or an SD card. Finally, visit the official Honda navigation portal to confirm new updates are available for your system. Now, let's walk through the update process itself. Begin by downloading the latest map files from the official Honda navigation website to your computer. These files are often compressed, so you might need to extract them. Next, transfer these extracted files to your formatted USB drive or SD card, ensuring they are placed in the correct directory as specified by Honda. Then, insert the storage device into the designated slot in your Honda Pilot's navigation unit. The system should recognize the update and guide you through the installation with clear on-screen instructions. Once the update is complete, it's important to verify everything is working correctly. Check the system information to confirm the new map version is installed. Then, take a moment to test the navigation by inputting a new destination or a familiar route to ensure accuracy. Some systems may require you to register the updated software with Honda. Finally, make it a habit to check for new map releases periodically, perhaps once every 12 months, to keep your Honda Pilot's navigation system performing at its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.